That is the old way, or before the understanding. But when you have lost yourself, let us say you have reached that space of I am really that, and I experienced that. Whether you came through the Gyan Marg, you came through Seva, you came through love, you came through Bhakti, or however you have reached there. Now what? Now you are in a position to play in this beautiful creation that has been made, and play with all, पूरा पूरा उसका मतलब पूरी इंद्रियों के साथ, creation, poetry, love, music, drama, sculpting, dancing, all those creative ways in which this I can express I, to be felt by I, are available. Nothing wrong with sitting in one room and being in bliss. Nothing wrong. I'm not saying mat karo. Karo, that's okay. But not that it's limited also. But you're missing out. ये पूरा I ने ही सर्जन किया है. It is a Maya, no doubt. It is just a figment of imagination, this whole world.
Something.
Yeah.
So when I talk about bhakti, it does not mean sitting in one place and doing chanting or
Correct.
meditating.
Correct.
तो भक्ति में क्या होता है कि जैसे I have grown with the story of Mirabai. She has a very strong imprint on my soul.
Correct.
तो भक्ति इज व्हाट कि हर जगह कृष्ण का वो देखते हो. तो आप में भी वही कृष्ण है, पुरुषोत्तम जी में भी वही कृष्ण है, सेम चीज. And in everything that I do is Krishna. Everywhere is Krishna. So it is only and only He who's there, and I am nowhere. So
Correct.
it's like, you know, the one line that we say in the Gita ji is before we start. So we say कि I am the creator, I am the sustainer, I am the destroyer. Everything comes from me. Everything goes back to me. Everything is me.
Perfect.
I
Perfect.
am that I am. Aham Brahmasmi
Correct. Correct.
Shivoham Shiv.
Perfect.
That is
Perfect.
where bhakti plays a role. You know कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आप अभी व्हाट यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग, बिकॉज अभी तक मेरे को अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऐसे लग रहा था लॉजिक से मैं समझना चाहता हूँ. तो मुझे लगता था मैं कैसे समझूं, मैं तो जो इंटेलेक्ट से समझना चाहता हूँ वो इंटेलेक्ट ही बहुत सब उसका बेसिस है द्वैत. ओनली व्हेन देयर इज वन एंड अनदर तब वो इंटेलेक्ट एग्जिस्ट करता है.
Correct.
तो जा ही रहे हैं सिर्फ अद्वैत की तरफ, हम तो
हाँ, नहीं,
आ
नहीं.
ही रहे हैं अद्वैत से ही.
Correct, correct, correct. Now I
तो
understand.
इसके अलावा
Perfectly right. Perfectly right. But understanding does not happen in Dvait. It happens in Advait. Understanding is by the one, about the one, of the one, in the one. That's that moment of understanding. And just as through bhakti or through bhajan or through meditation or उस मार्ग से भी वहां पहुंचते हो उस पल को जहां आप अपने आप को वो अनुभव करता है अपने आप को. That same state is possible through many ways. That's all I'm saying. There's not just one way. And in the end, वही आता है. In the end, what comes to the surface is that this infinite being realizes, oh, this is what it is. अच्छा, मैंने ही ये सर्जन किया था और मैं ही अपने आप को भुला दिया मैं कौन हूं. मैंने ही किया है. अच्छा. And it comes as a dawn. It comes as a light. It comes as a, and it can come through this process. कि कुछ लोग naturally are loving and the heart is open and you know, तो उनको ये जल्द से पहुंच जाते हैं.
like Master Jennifer,
हाँ.
very very loving.
Correct, correct. So, but there are a lot of people जिसको जिसके मतलब ये दूसरा रास्ता है वहीं पहुंचाने के लिए. That's all.
Yeah.
And that understanding is also that only. It is not something different. When you understand, you are touching that one again and again and again, and through different ways. So, and the wow of it fills you up. See, matlab, let's say you study physics. So you study physics and you learn the laws of motion and this and that. यहाँ पे surface पे खेल रहे हैं. आगे आगे जाते हैं, you go into cosmology, you go into the universal constant, and you go into the expansion of the universe, and eventually you come to a point where you just look at these equations and go, oh my God. And that oh my God experience is the same experience you're coming through love.
Yeah, through love. Yes, yes,
So
exactly.
yeah, so we are reaching the same place. And the second aspect of it is that the person who has reached this understanding through विश्लेषण, through analysis, through investigation, ये क्या है ये चीज, ये देख के पहुंचे हैं वहां पर. आप प्यार को लेके हाथ पकड़ के पहुंच गए वहां पर. तो व्हाट इज पॉसिबल, जो प्यार का हाथ पकड़ के पहुंच गए हैं, उसको ये रास्ते को झांक कर वहां उसका वाव भी अवेलेबल है कि ये क्या है, ये शक्तियां, ये इंटेलिजेंस, this what is the magnitude of this divine intelligence. How do I understand this at least whatever way I can understand? That is one. And the other guy who has come through the intelligence, usko bhi possible hai ki yaar, open your heart. Now you open your mind and your intellect, but open your heart and feel the love of this divine, what it is pouring into this universe. So दोनों को एक दूसरे से कुछ ना कुछ मिल सकता है.
I think both of us have both the things, because unless the heart is open, that awareness that you're talking of, the realization cannot happen. आप जिसको understanding बोल रहे हैं, that same thing is what we call realization. And similarly,
Correct.
unless we dissolve ourselves intellectually also in every format, हम ये समझते हैं कि बस उसके अलावा कुछ बना ही नहीं है,
Yeah.
तो वहाँ पे वो understanding या वो realization आती है along with heart. So I think it is combining in both the things.
Correct. It is exactly right. दोनों बातें, दोनों एस्पेक्ट्स, कम से कम दो एस्पेक्ट तो है ही, और भी होंगे हमारे अंदर, लेकिन ये दोनों है हमारे अंदर. किसी को ये थोड़ा फ्रंट में है, थोड़े को किसी का बैक में है, किसी को ये वाला थोड़ा फ्रंट में है, किसी को वो वाला. सो द व्हाट इज पॉसिबल इज टू ब्रिंग बोथ, दोनों फुल ऑन मिलियन वॉट लाइट जला के हम ये सारी सृष्टि का अनुभव करें, उसको जिस तरह से भी पॉसिबल हो हमारे in this lifetime.
Yeah.
That is what is possible and available. So
Would
and
Purushottam ji like to say something
sure.
about it? Because only we are going on talking.
I know.
समझने को मिल रहा है.
Right. He's
जो
enjoying
इसमें बोल
he's
रहे थे ना आप लोग,
understanding and
उसमें
enjoying.
Yes.
See, ultimately
तो
ना,
एक जो इंटेलेक्ट
नहीं ultimately
वाली
ना,
बात है, तो
सर हाँ बोलिए.
आप जो बोल रहे थे ये को एक इंटेलेक्ट है, एक लेवल तक ईगो वाला इंटेलेक्ट है, और बाद में जो ईगोलेस इंटेलेक्ट है उससे ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग और आप अद्वैत की बात कर रहे जो है वो. Exactly. Because what do you get? मेरा एक ही थर्मोमीटर है दुनिया में. Does it make you happy? That is my thermometer to check my compass कि मैं सही दिशा में जा रही हूँ या नहीं. तो जब ये समझ में आती है कुछ गहरी बातें, कुछ छोटी बातें, कुछ सटल चीजें जो इस दुनिया में मौजूद है, वो सटल बातें जब समझ में आती है तो इतना आनंद आता है, क्योंकि वो कॉन्शियसनेस को ये अनुभव हो रहा है कुछ समझ का, ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग का, और आनंद मिल रहा है. देन दैट इज योर कंपास दैट इज सेइंग यस बेटा आप सही जा रहे हो. और वही आनंद आपको भक्ति में भी मिल रहा है, ऐसे नहीं है कि एक ही दिशा से मिलेगा. So if it is a intellectual sort of matlab where you are simply arguing for the sake of arguing, ऐसे बहस, that doesn't bring you joy. It doesn't make you happy. It doesn't bring understanding. It doesn't bring realization. So this is तो ध्यान और मेडिटेशन के भी जो 3 प्रकार बताए ना, ध्यान, धारणा और समाधि. तो ध्यान is more like contemplation. ध्यान, धारणा और समाधि, तीन types of और 3 levels of meditation are there. ध्यान, धारणा, समाधि. तो एक तो है कि आप समाधि तक पहुंच जाओ. कुछ लोग ऐसे जो समाधि में डायरेक्ट they are able to just be nothingness. Okay, तो then
the journey is to return back into the dharana, into the dhyan, into the pratyahar, into the ahar, into the yam, niyam, sanyam, wo sab jo there are 8 steps that they have defined in Hinduism, starting with yam, niyam, pranayam, pratyahar, dhyan, dharana, samadhi, वैसे. So one way is to go from yam. Yam is all the do's, or all the niyam are all the don'ts. ये करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. जो बच्चा है तो उसको समाधि तक पहुंचने का मतलब दूर है, तो उसको सिर्फ बेटा ये ऐसे ऐसे नहीं बोलते, ऐसे बोलते हैं, ऐसे नहीं खाते, ऐसे खाते हैं, ऐसे नहीं बैठते, ऐसे बैठते हैं. So that's yam niyam. So यम, नियम, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, यानी जो भी आप इनपुट ले रहे हैं दुनिया से, सो वैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप धारणा, ध्यान और समाधि तक पहुंचते हैं. The other way which is possible is कि आप you are in that state of nothing. You understand that there is nothing and you are nothing, you are nobody, and you reach that state. Now what? You can either stay there or automatically ये सब आपको पता लगने लगता है. Because out of love, when you're operating out of love, out of nobodiness, then you don't have to be told कि ये rule है कि किसी का आप चोरी मत करो. वो बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. क्योंकि आप प्यार है, प्रेम है, तो naturally you will feel कि अरे मैं इसका ले लूंगा तो उसको दर्द होगा. Then why should I take it? So वो यम, नियम सब automatic आ जाते हैं. So getting into that, re-entering, see the whole thing that is possible, and that what I am understanding and sharing with everyone these days is the Puna Pravesh, the re-entry into the world. How do you re-enter the world given your experience of samadhi, given your understanding of oneness, given your understanding of divine, given your understanding of the qualities of divine, which you really are? अभी उसको लेके हम इस सृष्टि में पुनः प्रवेश from the other direction कैसे करना है, और उसमें क्या possible है और क्या होगा, what does that look like in the real world? So that is the great what you call one piece that has been missed out in the traditional Advait understanding in India especially. ये जो चीज है इसको कश्मीर शैविज्म ने समझा है. In the 10th, 11th, 12th century, कश्मीर शैविज्म जो है उसने ये बात समझी है कि वैराग्य पे अंत नहीं होता है अद्वैत का.
Advait is not vairagya.
No, Advait. No, that is half the story, which is the most common understanding of Advait. There is only one. No. So if there is only one, right? Advait says, I'm not this, I'm not this, I'm not that. Neti करके हम वहां
Advait says, I'm everything.
I am all of it. Okay. I am all of it. But that return portion, I am all of it. But where do I live? What do I do? How do I now be in this world? उसकी बात नहीं होती है.
होती है ना.
बताइए.
राजा जनक
हाँ.
जो ब्रह्म ज्ञानी बोलते हैं जिसको, जैसे स्वामी वशिष्ठ थे, वशिष्ठ मुनि जो थे उनका, और अगर आप विश्वामित्र का स्टोरी सुनेंगे so I'm sure you know about it.
Yeah. Ashtavakra Gita is that whole dialogue between Raja Janak and Ashtavakra.
तो राजा जनक को जस्ट एक सैडल पे पैर रखते हुए ब्रह्म ज्ञान हो गया, और जिस समय हुआ तो बाहर से ही lived like a king and from under he was a complete vairagi. That is brahma gyan, that is completeness.
Correct.
And similarly for Swami Vashishth Muni also, उनका जब वो विश्वामित्र ने उनके सारे बच्चों को जला दिया, मार दिया, खत्म कर दिया सब कुछ, लेकिन फिर भी he forgave him, फिर भी he was worried about him. So our Advait actually means both together. It is not
correct. That is the correct and full understanding of Advait.
Yeah.
But if you look around us, there are mainly in the world, how are people operating? That is what I'm asking you. People are either operating out of duality, right? Advait ka namo nishan nahi hai. This is good, this is bad, this is right, this is wrong. Isko jado, iske jhagda karo, ye galat hai, ye bura hai, usko maro. ये अद्वैत में ज्यादातर दुनिया इसी में फंसी हुई है. Most of the people, most of the level of the world is that today. I think a line drop हो गई उनकी. Never mind. So she'll come back, I'm sure. So most of the world is operating in that Dvait, black and white, right and wrong, वैसा. तो and the other half, which is some of the जो take Raman Maharshi himself, right? Raman Maharshi, jo Advait ke, you can call him the highest proponent of Advait. If you look at his interaction with the world, it was minimum. एक कपड़ा एक लंगोटी लेके पूरा जिंदगी उन्होंने गुजारा. He did not want anything to do with the world. He had nothing to do with. So to me, you know, of course, he's an incredible soul and way beyond, you know, me. But I would say that it is a Vairagya understanding of Advait. You cannot by any means call Raman Maharshi a Aishwarya yogi. No way, stretch of imagination. He led, so, and nothing wrong. I'm not saying that it is wrong, but I'm saying there is a dimension to life which is available after this understanding, which you can bring back into the real world.
गुरुजी ने यही बोला है ना.
गुरुजी ने यही कहा है.
यही बोला.
Exactly. This is what. So that is the beauty. I think मेरा ये Zoom थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया है. If it drops ना, end हो गया तो वापस join कर लेना.
Okay.
In 5 minutes. अगर खत्म हुआ तो.
आप जो बोल रहे हो एक्चुअल में ऐसी है कि कोई उस रास्ते पे चला गया तो वो फिर दुनिया का एक दुनियादारी छोड़ दिया उसने. दुनिया को भूल गया है क्या?
दुनिया को भूल. That is what.
हाँ, मेरा कुछ लेना देना नहीं दुनिया से. लेकिन आपको यदि इतना सब ये आ गया है, पूरा ज्ञान मिल गया और सब हो गया, तो उसको वो ज्ञान लेके आप दुनिया जियो और दूसरे के लाइफ में भी प्रकाश डालो या दूसरे के लाइफ में भी वो लाने की कोशिश करो या उससे जो भी कुछ क्रिएट कर रहे हैं वो दूसरों तक पहुंचाओ.
Exactly. That is what I'm saying. वही मैं बता रहा हूँ. So for example, Nupurji, what I was saying is like Raman Maharshi, right? He is one of the most highest realized souls in the field of Advait. So Raman Maharshi, I don't know if you know about his life a little bit.
No.
Okay, but he lived a very, very simple life. Ek dhoti, bilkul ek dhoti, literally one dhoti. And that's all he owned. And he was not interested in anything. People जबरदस्ती आश्रम बनवाते थे, जबरदस्ती लोग वहां के उनके पास बैठ जाते थे और he had nothing to do with them. He didn't want anything, but he had reached the ultimate understanding of oneness, of the non-duality, that I am not this body, I am not this this thing, and I am just in oneness, and I don't need to do, be or have anything. Unko cancer hua to he refused treatment. He didn't want to have anything to do with it. जबरदस्ती लोग ट्रीटमेंट करा रहे थे और ऐसे वैसे वैसे. So this is the what I'm saying. So there is that people who are full Dvait, and then people who have Advait, but only up to the Vairagya part. Raman Maharshi is in full Vairagya. And I'm not saying anything wrong with that, but I'm saying there's a whole dimension that is missing of creativity, of expression, of fullness. See, fullness and emptiness are both two sides of the coin, and unless you're able to hold both, we are missing something. If you're only in emptiness, then what about fullness? This world has so much available. So coming from, and then once you are in fullness, coming from that fullness, expressing creativity, expressing love, expressing music, expressing dance, whatever, or abundance or wealth or anything. Everything is possible. So you know, so that Janak Raja जैसे होंगे, I mean, I'm sure there are people who have got it, the full thing. ये बात नहीं है कि this is the first time in the universe that somebody has understood the whole story. My point is, it is not fully understood by most of the people, but or at least lot of the people. Most of the people are in Dvait. The one, and why I'll tell you why they remain in Dvait also. This is one of the key realizations I had a few days ago. The people, because Advait and oneness appears like a life denying state of being, it appears to them, looking from where they are, you want to ignore this beauty, you want to ignore these colors of life, you want to ignore this and say that I'm not this body, I'm not these colors, I'm not these forms, I'm not dance, I'm not music, I'm just that, which is the consciousness, which is the all encompassing being. और वो है और उसी में रहना है, then what people are saying is मुझे उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. मैं तो ये जो दृष्टि बनाई हुई है, जिसमें कलर्स है, जिसमें लोग हैं, जहां हंसी है, जहां खुशी है, जहां पार्टी है, जहां खाना है, जहां पीना है, उसमें मैं आनंद पा रहा हूं. आप मुझे क्यों वहां ले जा रहे हैं? So it is only, and that is only that way because of this half story. If we are able to explain to them the second half of the story, which is that once you reach that state of emptiness and nothingness and you experience yourself as one, now you are in a much, much, much more powerful position to express all those things that you are loving. You love colors, you love form, you love sculpture, you love music. Now, from that point of view, if you come back into colors, you come back into music, you come back into dance, you come back into sculpture, and so you are, and now you're able to enjoy, really enjoy. मतलब enjoy जो शब्द है ना, उसको एक देखेंगे तो enjoy means to add joy. जो द्वैत में फंसे हुए वो they are trying to get joy out of the things. मैं ये कलर पेंटिंग करूंगा ताकि मैं इसको बेचूंगा और मुझे इसमें से पैसे मिलेंगे और मैं उसका कुछ मजा लूंगा. That is the extracting joy. But when you are in fullness, when you are one, now I want to express that in these colors. I want to add joy to this painting. I want to add joy to the colors. And this, and this is a, it's a process, one more step that is required, the return journey. The return journey from those heights is required to take full advantage, you may say. इसका ये जो पूरी सृष्टि है हमारे पास, उसका पूरा फायदा उठाना है कि, और हमने ही सर्जी है, ऐसे नहीं है कि किसी और ने, मतलब it is a creation of divine. And to deny this life, to deny the colors, to deny the indriyas, इंद्रिया से आप हट जाओ, इंद्रिया को आप खींच लो वापस. Okay, maybe to reach there you may have to do that, because आप इतने द्वैत में फंसे हुए हो कि unless you withdraw your senses little bit, you will never come to that calm, understanding state of fullness. You may never reach there. तो तभी इंद्रियों को खींचना वापस सही है. Now, but when you reach that, reach again for those beautiful, miraculous tools that the universe has provided this body. And now put it to the use of making carpets or healing children or whatever else you do. And then that activity also of making drugs and
So,
sorry, break हो रही आवाज, बोलिए.
So, for हमने जब जो भी my gurus, like whoever I have, these saints whom I have heard, they don't talk about withdrawing your indriya. In fact, my guru, I call him Baba, so he says that it is not about detachment. It is about attachment to the higher self. Well,
Exactly.
So it's like one example he gives. एक जैसे उन्होंने क्या बोला कि एक बंदा जो सड़क पे रहता है, उसको एक अगर चाल में भी एक घूम मिलता है ना, तो ही विल बी वेरी हैप्पी.
Right.
But after that, if he
Let me
gets a
just
1
interrupt
BHK,
one second.
So-
One second. अगर ये call cut हो गया because something is going on with my Zoom, cut हो गया तो वापस join कर लेना 5 मिनट. Okay, हाँ. Okay, go ahead. हाँ. तो क्या?
अगर जैसे वो चाल में रहता है, अगर उस सड़क पे रहता है, उसको एक चाल में एक रूम मिला तो he'll be very happy. He gets a 1 BHK, he'll be even more happier. Then when he gets a 2 BHK and he moves on to the mansion, तो उसको वो अपना चाल या वो 1 BHK का वो लगाव नहीं रहेगा. So he's not detaching himself. He's attaching himself to the higher things.
Correct.
So so sacrifice is not about leaving. Vairagya is not about leaving. Vairagya is